So hi guys, so today we would be starting off with this question, that is a reverse linked list. In this question we have to basically reverse the linked list. We have been given the head of the linked list and we have to reverse the whole list. So here you can see the linked list is as following: 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to reverse the pointers pointing 5 4 3 2 1. So coming to the whiteboard, here you can see I would be using another pen. We have pointed one, we would be using three pointers technique, that is prev, null and next. Yeah, so the prev pointer is pointing to null, the current pointer is pointing to 1, the starting element, and the next pointer is pointing to the element that is next to the current element. So here, from here, we would be increasing the number of, means the position of the elements and the pointers, and we would be pointing them in reverse direction. So here we are, what we would do till the current pointer is not null, we would be doing current dot next is equals to prev, that is the element which was either this is going to point to this, and similarly we would move forward. For example, when prev is going to be 1, current is going to be 2, and next is equals to 3. At that time, I would remove this and it would be pointing to this. Yeah, and from here it is going to move forward to this and this. At that time 2 is going to point here to 1, and we would remove 3, and similarly we are going to move forward, but at the time previous element reaches to 5, current reaches to null, that is null here, and next element definitely won't occur because there is nothing such forward of null. So we would be returning the previous element, that is 5. Why 5? Because we are considering 5 as the head of the linked list now, because what we are doing, we are basically reversing the pointers. So 5 would be the first element that we need, we would be returning it, and till then the work would have been done, that is 5 would be pointing to 4, 4 would be pointing to 3, and 3 would be pointing to 2, and 2 would be pointing to 1, and 1 is pointing to null. So this is how the whole structure is going to work. Till current is not equals to null, we would be keep reversing the elements pointer. Okay, for now I would declare the list node, that is previous, equals to null. I would declare list node cur is equals to head, that is current, and I would put a while loop, that is while current is not equals to null, I would do list node next, that is going to be current dot next, because we want the next element. So yeah, and current dot next is going to point to prev, and yeah, current dot next is going to be prev then, after that, and after that prev is going to be current, because we are moving forward, and current is equals to be is going to be next, because we are constantly moving forward, we are going forward in the linked list, so we are going to reverse the pointers one by one, and then we would be returning prev as soon as the linked list reaches the end of the whole linked list, that is null. So at that time we would return it. So I would just run the code, and I guess it should work. Okay, okay, I have okay, I guess it should work now, because I didn't define the variable current and I named it yeah. So I would submit it, and as you can see, it is faster than 100% of Java online submissions for reverse linked list, and it is using less than almost 61% of Java online submission memories. So what we basically did is we made a while loop, and we did it till the current hasn't reached null, and once the current has reached null, we are returning previous, because till then all the linked lists have been reversed using the code mentioned here. We are just going to point the element that is going to previous. Yeah, so this was it for the video. This question has been asked in several interviews as of the data I have seen till now, and it is a really nice question of linked list. It is used in many cases while using development and interviews. So I hope you must have got an idea how you can solve this question. There is even a recursion solution of this question. You can try it yourself, or you can go to simply solution and discussion part and see that. So this was it for the video. Thank you and have a nice day.